Okay, I've got the ingredients, materials, and what I'm going to do is make another garden bed like this. These corner posts, they're screwed in place like there. The garden bed itself is sunk into the ground so that it's all level. And I'm going to build a new one here. Just wrap it around it so it's tight, and then tie it off if you can. Is it flat?
Yeah.
Alright, let's drop it in.
Huh?
What? This should be quite long. Right. That's one done.
I'm spending time with someone I don't.
Okay, cut. Alright. Check it out over here. Okay. Ready to start working on the garden bed again this morning. I'm in full-on pandemic survival mode. Shaved my head. And I've seated the last piece in, squared it all up, it's all level. Now I just need to put some corner posts in and bolt it all together, and I'll do that next. Okay. Start to rain. Need to rush this bit. Just gonna do it with one hand. Yes. Who says you need two hands? Beautiful. Okay, got a break in the weather and screwed it all together. Joints are nice and tight, square. Just need to pack in those corners, clear the grass out from inside and fill her up. Stop. Okay. What's that?
Blood and bone. Oh, you know what? Okay. Oh, fine. Yes, this is your new spot now.
So there you go. It's finished and ready for planting. Took the effort and made it look nice. Perhaps over-engineered, but happy with it. It's not just for COVID-19, it's for our future. So there you go. We've got some beans and a few other seeds, so we'll start with those and see what we can get. You're putting them in the gaps.
Yeah, I'm putting them everywhere. Yes, that's how I plant. Yeah, they're not big lettuces, they're just little minis, I think.
What sort of beans are they? Just push them in there.
Get a cover them over with some dirt. So see if you can pull in the dirt from the...
Today is the 26th of April, day 43 since the pandemic was announced. We installed some lettuce here and some beans here. What else have we got?
Okay, we've got a variety of wonderful lettuce, looking good, almost ready to pick, and we've also got a couple of tomatoes that have popped up from the garden mix that we bought for our garden. Okay, we've got some silver beet here, looking good and happy, and along here we've got some seedlings planted from seed for some European spinach. Looks like silver beet, but a little different. Have to wait and see. Okay, along here we have some peas, yum yum, and our zucchini. These are Romana flat beans. They're a long bean that's flat, they don't climb, so looking forward to those. Okay, let's move to our other garden. All right, as you can see, our turmeric and our ginger, that was planted pre-COVID, so they'll be ready to pick soon, looking pretty good. Leaves are starting to die off. Okay, what shall we do with those? Who knows? Okay, let's move around to the other side of the garden. A few more zucchini plants here. And along here, I've planted some spinach. So we'll see how that goes. They're looking pretty good. The rest of the garden are the herbs. Yummo. Okay, more beans. No, not beans, peas. So they're planted a couple of weeks later. So along here, I'm so excited. My first time I've grown shallots from seed. So a bit too close, but we're going to love them anyway. So our chili bush, waiting for our chili seeds to pop up. Lots of weeds. And our basil in this spot. We'll see how we go. Some more spinach. Looking good. And our poor basil, tail end. Our lettuce leaf basil. That's been great. Everything's looking pretty good. Garden's lovely and flourishing.
Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.